Congrats on purchasing your Wood Element leggings. These are great leggings if you have tight hips or lower back, and according to Chinese medicine, also if you want some support for your liver and for your gallbladder. So if you look at the seam right here on the outside, this is my gallbladder meridian, gallbladder channel. It's tracking along the IT band, side booty. Nice, quick, easy way to stretch it. Come on down to your back and cross your ankle over your thigh. Take a number 4 stretch. Add engagement to your tissue by kicking your ankles away from you, rocking your chest up if that's available. Feel your side booty engage and use your arms to pull it back in. You can floss it forward and back here. I'm continuously kicking my right ankle into my thigh to get a nice juicy stretch on my outer hip. So that's how I like to use the gallbladder channel as a guide for stretching. Notice then we have this channel right here, the inner seam, which is tracking your liver meridian. So one of my favorite ways to stretch that. Just come to a kneeling position and step your leg out to the side. Toes are pointing straight ahead. Plug down through your hands and through your knees and squeegee your legs together to feel your inner thigh engage. Keep squeegeeing your legs together as you sit back, feeling the stretch right along your inner thigh, so satisfying. You can oscillate forward and back here to get a nice floss, and you also have some flexibility with how you're moving in your hips. So you can teeter your hips around, up and down, to find the itch that you want to scratch in your stretch. Make sure you do both sides. If you look at your leggings, you'll notice that there are small, subtle logos along the seams, and these logos are where you will find key acupressure points. So I'm going to show you how to find each of those and what to do with them to get started. The first one you'll find right up here at your side booty. It's called Gallbladder 30, aka the jumping circle. You can grab a tennis ball and bring it on into that spot and lean down. That's one way that a lot of us like to release the point. But my favorite way is to take my leg into cradling the baby. You could hold your foot or pull it in tighter depending on what's available, and then rock on over to your side booty right around that jumping circle and stir around to massage and open this point. This is a key point for releasing glute tension. This can also help with some sciatica and lower back relief. Working our way down the channel, about halfway down your thigh, right along your IT band, you'll find the IT Band-Aid Gallbladder 31. This is a key pressure point for releasing your IT band, also helping with your hips and your lower back. So give it a little massage. I usually follow along my IT band until I find the indentation. There's a little spot there, and then you can lean your leg out and work your fingertips along the band, or you could stay in a bit of a pigeony stretch and just rock it out. Let's continue our journey down to Gallbladder 34. This one's a little bit tricky to find, but as long as you're following the channel and find your point, it'll give you a good sense of where it is. And then find this fibula head, the bulge of the backbone here on your leg, and hop just under the fibula head to a sweet spot right here. Gallbladder 34. I was taught this point as a key point for nourishing your tendons and your ligaments. This is where the connective tissue gets nourished. You might just make circles in the sweet spot, or flex and point your ankle or circle it around to feel how that stimulates the point. So those are the points that you'll find on the outside. Let's find one on the inside. This is liver 5, another favorite point for a lot of folks. Find your medial malleolus, inner ankle bone, and measure about a handprint up, or 5 fingerprints up, just behind your shin bone in the soft tissue right here. Again, let your fingers hunt around and find the spot that's calling your name, but that's roughly where you will find it. Give it a gentle massage, or again, you can circle your ankles. This is a great point for giving you an energy boost. This is fortifying your liver chi. Liver is a key organ for detoxification and moving your blood, getting your circulation going. So those are all the points that you can try on your wood element pants.